Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on gold dollar, I still think that we're in an uptrend that I still believe is going to end up breaking out of these highs, going up to around the $2,200 area and maybe even a lot higher than that. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's very clear that this right here is the end of an ABC correction. I think that this first move up is a 1, this is probably a 2, and I think it's going to go up and make a wave 3 to form that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I was originally thinking this move down was actually just going to be a wave A, but looking at the pattern closely, it looks more like this could have already made 3 waves down, and the fact that we had CPI news yesterday probably ended a correction. It's probably the end of a 1, the end of a wave 2, and I bet there's a good chance it's going up already for a wave 3. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame because we do have a possible alternative count, which is that this is possibly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is an A, B, C, and then it turns at a fib level and goes down again, and it forms a proper A, B, C correction for the wave 2. Now, I always try to keep multiple counts in mind just in case, but I still believe that this is probably more likely a 1, 2, 3 pattern. Like I showed on the daily, it bounced almost perfectly off a fib level. I have my Fibonacci retracement right here just in case we do get like a 3-way pattern up and a big bounce, showing me that it is a way B, but I think at this point it's probably more likely that it's just going to keep on making higher highs, higher lows, and that this is really a 1, 2, and a wave 3. So, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it definitely kind of resembles a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wouldn't be surprised if it does make a pullback maybe throughout the day into New York session, and then if it goes back up and bounces off a fib level and breaks structure, that would tell me that this is an ABC, probably an ABC of B. But I would have to see something like this to really believe that it's a wave B and believe that it's going back down to make a wave C like I was showing on the higher time frames, because I see a possibility, which I think is even more likely, that this is going to go up and that this is the end of an ABC of 2, and then this is a 1, a 2, and a 3, probably a 1, 2, 3 of wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.